Hi there, it's Dave T here with the next instalment of the Cinematic Breakfast series, this time reviewing the Sage Custom Loaf Bread Maker. The machine has an attractive brushed steel finish, which has the advantage of matching other brushed steel finish products, but does also suffer slightly from left finger marks. On the back there is a convenient holder for the supplied recipe book and manual, which doubles as a cable tidy, which sadly only sort of works. On top of the unit there's a bright and easy to read LCD display, which is controlled by a single dial which you turn to scroll through the main programs and then press to select an item. The dial can then be turned again to choose the crust setting. Choices are light, medium or dark. As with the main program, as you change selections, the total program time is shown on the display. The weight is chosen next, and for our first loaf we went for the second smallest option of 0.75 kilos, though the manual does recommend that the larger two sizes will actually produce more consistent results. There's a button to change units between metric and imperial, and another button to disable the beeper. The third button is for the oven light. This is a nice touch, but it's worth noting that for filming I did have to pop open the oven lid a few times to clear condensation from the window to get a good view of the bread. If you're not making a movie, then the view should be just fine. The baking tin is one of the largest I've seen on a bread maker, making loaves of up to 1.35 kilos, and comes out easily with a tug to release it from the drive mechanism. The Sage bread maker comes with two kneading paddles, one used purely for jam and another folding paddle for bread. The folding paddle is designed to fold away before the bake starts to avoid the large hole that you normally get in the centre of bread machine loaves. This was both the main reason for choosing the Sage and also my main concern as to whether it would actually fold away. We'll have to see. We kept it simple for our first loaf and used a bread mix packet which only required the addition of water. When adding the ingredients, it should always be done with the tin outside the machine and the order of liquid, oils, dry ingredients such as flour, and then finally yeast and salt. Once all the ingredients are in the tin, you can drop it back into the machine, close the lid and then press the start button to commence the baking process. Whilst making the bread, the LCD display clearly shows the current stage along with the remaining time before the bread will be ready. Assuming you have not silenced it, then the machine will beep when the program is finished and automatically go into a keep warm mode for up to 60 minutes. Whilst the machine is keeping the bread warm, simply press the cancel button to stop the whole process, and then using oven gloves lift out the baking tin and turn out the loaf onto a suitable wire rack. As you can see with our first loaf and subsequent loaves, the paddle did indeed fold away, leaving just a small dent in the bottom of the loaf. So all there is to do now is leave the loaf to rest for 20 minutes or so and then enjoy some delicious freshly baked bread. I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you did then please show your appreciation by hitting that like button, and to see more of my Cinematic Breakfast series please check the playlist or subscribe to my channel. Have a great breakfast, and as always, thanks for watching.